Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video, as you can see, I've got the product Red iPhone 8 Plus. So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned to this video. Let's get started. So if you're a little curious about why Apple bring this red colour to their iPhones, well, I will tell you. A percentage of the proceeds for the new red iPhone go toward grants that fight against HIV and AIDS as part of Project Red. Project Red is an organisation Apple partnered with since 2006. Apple also announced that it donated more than $160 million to the charity, which is pretty impressive. The first thing that I noticed whenever I lifted the iPhone 8 Plus out of the box is that the glass is super shiny and the colour that it comes in is absolutely beautiful. This is a phone to be looked at. Yes, okay, the phone is a fingerprint magnet, but to be honest, most smartphones nowadays pretty much are. If you were looking for the product Red iPhone 10, then I'm sorry to disappoint that Apple have not released that. But they did release a new case for it, and yes, it is in a beautiful red colour. There is one big change for this year's Red iPhones. It has a black front plate. Last year's Red iPhones came with a white face, and they got feedback that nobody really liked the white face. They would have preferred the black, so Apple did listen to their feedback. Many people prefer the black fronted phones because the screen blends in when it's off. Some users say that the white edges are distracting, and personally I would agree with that. So if you're watching a video and you have a white fronted face, then it is quite distracting. So the product Red iPhone was released in the UK last Friday. I have to say, as an Android user, I am in absolute awe of this phone. It's stunning, it's beautiful. It's one of the nicest looking phones out there on the market at the minute. So now you have seen the iPhone 8 Plus in the product Red colour. Let me know down in the comments section below if you guys are thinking of buying this. And if you're not thinking of buying it, then why not? It is absolutely beautiful. And finally, just to let you know that I am not sponsored in any way with Apple. Even though I would love to be sponsored by Apple, Apple hit me up, please. If you want to see more videos like this and this is your first time here, then why not hit the subscribe button to tune into more of my videos that talk about tech, not just Android but also iOS. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Until next time, peace.